Ronnie, check it for me. Our beloved Portia Simpson Miller. Comrades, today, listen to me, we officially take back power from Bruce Golden. And having taken back power, let me say, the clock is ticking and we will soon take back office from him as well. We have officially entered the fifth and final year of the Bruce Golden administration. And I make bold to declare, like PJ said yesterday, and listen to what he said, we and we neighbor, I say only one term for labor. So repeat after me. We and we neighbor. I say only one term for labor. All right. We and we neighbor. I say only one term for labor. All right. You say it after me after three. 1, 2, 3. Yes, yes. Only one term for labor. Comrades, friends, Jamaicans all, enough is enough. Enough is enough. The curtains must come down now on Bruce Golden and his crew of jokers. 4 years of joblessness, 4 years of poverty doubling, 4 years of price hikes, 4 years of mortgage foreclosures, 4 years of declining fortunes for the Jamaican family. Our businesses, our pensioners, and all consumers is more than enough. Enough is enough.
They got to go, they got to go. They got to go, they got to go. They got to go, they got to go. They all got to go.
They got to go, they got to go. It is time that we tell them thanks, but no thanks. It is time to tell them, pack your bags. Pack your bags. Good. Jamaicans want progress, not distress. You remember what the man said? Too blessed to be so. Are you stressed? Too rich to be so poor. Are you poor? You were richer 4 years ago, no sir? Good. The man said too gifted to be so restricted. You can't come out your house at night. You know, are you more restricted? Good. Jamaicans want progress, not distress. We are saying in one united and strong voice, no more of the distress, no more of the duress, no more living in a state of emotional unrest. We are taking back our country. We are recovering the lost ground. We are moving forward, onward and upward. And we are doing so with Comrade Portia Simpson Miller.
when I heard some people talking about the country they're living in. No transparency, no accountability. And I heard them voices join in unison. Eli, you must go now. 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 I'm too blessed to be so stressed. So when I'm to be so disappointed. It's time, Eli, you pack your bags and go. Now Eli have some problems and he needs some help. This is what he did. He went to man and Phillips and Fields. There they are, start telling lies. Some pointing fingers, calling names. It is my good friend Peter, they wanna take the blame. Eli, you must go now. 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 So many jobs we are losing, and the people wages are frozen. It's time, Eli, you pack your bags and go. Jobs, 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 their wages for nurses, empty promises. One thing I can say, I see a government in disarray, and the bus now was alive today.
Comrades, once more welcome. And we are moving into greetings. And we are going to hear from, in this order, the PNP UK, the PNP Canada, Jamaica National Movement, the Cuban Communist Party, the Patriots, the PNPYO, the Women's Movement, and the NW. So then, I invite the comrades to come up to, in 3 minutes, each representative has 3 minutes to bring greetings to the 73rd Annual Conference of the People's National Party. And it is PNP UK, give him a big round of applause.
Comrade, one love. PNP UK asked me to come and have a look, to report back, to tell them if you're ready. So I'm looking for a message to carry back to UK. Are you ready?
You look the life you love. You look the life you live. Everything you have in mind, I will give. Ooh, greetings I bring from Jah to all ragamuffin.
Thank you. Comrades, PNP UK is right behind you. We have got 4 delegates here today. There will be a lot more coming over to help to run the campaign, because the campaign needs to be on the road right now. I can see that you are ready, and we are here to help and to support. God bless.
Thank you, comrade. And now we move to PNP Canada. Comrade Freckleton. 3 minutes.
Comrades, all how are you today? Comrade Chairman, Comrade Leader, Member of Parliament, caretakers, councillors, Comrade Labour Rights. As President, I have been asked to bring greetings from the People's National Progressive Organization of Canada, the organization that is affiliated to the People's National Party. The thousands of Jamaicans living in Canada have asked me to call upon Jamaicans to vote and let the People's National Party again be the government of this beautiful country, Jamaica.
All the songs of the expression dedication to the world and its life. We can't tell the first and fight. With the black, purple, blue, or whiteness, we get together and all you and I. How you mean? Ribbidi-bidi-doo-body, 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 ribbidi-bidi-doo-body.
To bring fairness and dignity to this beautiful little island of ours known as Jamaica. Comrades, they will be listening to when the BlackBerry ring, they will be listening to their radio. They will be watching their TV on election night. This election, comrade, will be a test, and I'm going to use the phrase of a former Prime Minister, the Honorable P.J. Patterson, when he say, "Fly the gate." But this time, the fastest man in the world, him is a Jamaican known as Usain Bolt. But let me tell you something, comrades. He will not be able to catch the PMP to the winning post. The comrades over Canada say fi tell you say, and me I tell you say, we damn serious. No joke business. Long live the People's National Party and have a good day.
Is who this man, the pirate man, I'm gonna find the original business. Let's tell, even though, fly the gate, and let in the pirate fly the gate, and let in the pirate fly the gate, and let in the pirate fly the gate, and let in the pirate, let the real coming, original song, they come like saying never respect man, but no me come back, and me coming in strong, I fire no and I them foot bottom, fly the gate, and let it.
Fly the gate. All right, we'll now hear from Comrade Jose Richards, who is representing the Jamaica Progressive League. Comrade Jose Richards.
Earthquake! Here's the case again, man. Sparkles and dust. Watch this now. Hey, what to get me hot this year? Where them a gonna do if they hold me? What do you need? What to get me wicked this year? Not even water can hold me. Not a mercy. What to get me hot, to get me hot, to get me wicked, wicked, and if I do just every day, so I get damage, don't trespass. A boy must is stupid, to get them lyrics on the motor, to get them slow and rapid I am. Come as a lamb, don't feel I'm timid. If I do just every day, so I get executed. Just that, I am lyrically ill. 90s, I am programmed to kill. Tell the whole of them in the team and him really come hot this year. Where them a gonna do, they hold me. What do you need? What to get me wicked this year? Not even water can hold me. Not a mercy. Come now! He did it down, get to the silver rearrange. Positive and come on the front page. Come in them know, say your lyric on the brave.
The things that me done. There's a come man, there's a come man, there's a come. Indeed. What the things that me done, what the things that me done. What the things that me done, mama Jesus come. Follow me. What the things that me done, what the things that me done.
me coming in, me come for roll.
All right, comrades, we're going to hear from the representative of the Jamaica Progressive League, Comrade Jose Richards.
Yeah, Nicole, I love this, you know. Pool party. If I even reach me, I reach a summertime. No! Yeah, Nicole, I love this, you know. Pool party. If I even reach me, I reach a summertime. Hey, every massive have to come along. Go for your suntan in the summer sun. If you want bleach, go back home. Go for your umbrella, cause the sun a burn. The young girl, them a bring it on. In a bikini, them in a pretty tongue. You know for shy girl, bring it come. If you have a fool man, get it on. Both more may come from, you know. Pretty suppose like that, you know. And the I rub them down, you know. In the shade with straight vibes from it.
No! Play again! Good!
It's not hard, my swag is easy. Easy. Swag. Easy.
All right, settle down, comrades. We have to pay respect and listen to the greetings. We are now going to hear from the representative from the Jamaica Progressive League. Give him a hearing, please, comrades.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Greetings, my beloved comrades. I bring you an abundance of love from the Jamaica Progressive League in New York. And they send congratulations to the People's National Party and their 73rd conference. And we would like to thank Comrade Phillips for being our keynote speaker recently at our 75th anniversary in New York. And I want to say to you that we in the diaspora, we have to depend on news from the visitors and what we have seen on the internet and so forth. But we have been bombarded with visitors from the government coming to tell us of how great things is down here, how the economy is great, doing well, and so forth. And back in the days, we used to call that propaganda, but today they call it public relations. And so I would like to read a little chapter from the Honorable Marcus Messiah Garvey, our first national hero, when he referred to the dangers of propaganda. And I want you to listen carefully and take it to heart so you can understand what is being done to us as a people, because enough is enough. Mr. Garvey says, we are living in a civilization that is highly developed. We are living in a world that is scientifically arranged, in which everything done by those who control is done through system, proper arrangement, proper organization, and among some of the organized methods used to control the world is a thing known and called propaganda. Propaganda has done more to defeat the good intentions of races and nations than even open warfare. Mr. Garvey said propaganda is a method or medium used by organized people to convert others against their will, which is us. And he said we of the African race are suffering more than any other race in the world from propaganda. Propaganda to destroy our hopes, our ambitions, and our confidence in self. And Mr. Garvey goes on to say that if you have no confidence in self, you are twice defeated in the race of life. But with confidence, you have won even before you have started. Let's tell the rascals that enough is enough. It is time for a change. Thank you, my comrade. I love you, and may the God of our ancestors continue to bless you. Thank you.
Love to touch you. Love to do the video then with you. Baby, come wind up, come show say you love me.
All right, comrades. The next comrade you're going to hear from is none other than Comrade Raymond Price of the Patriots. Raymond, where are you?
Yo! Open on the club, we gone again. Yeah, the drop, tell them fuck, rock. My planet tune them jump. One just drop and bust our head back. When 3, 5 bust up in our head top. Oh God, party mad. Y'all they must make us a party bad.
Comrade Chairman, comrade members, delegates and supporters of the People's National Party, good morning. Good morning. Comrades, I greet you this morning on behalf of the People's National Patriots, the caucus of young professionals who have signed up and are ready at the service of the People's National Party to guarantee victory at the next general elections. I greet you in the words of our founding president, the Right Excellent Norman Washington Manley, when I say that we, the Patriots, affirm our faith in the talents of the Jamaican people, that once we find the dynamic to unlock the keys and to open the door so that they can use their God-given talent, that we in Jamaica can contribute meaningfully to the development of the people and the whole human race. I say to you this morning that we make it clear our confidence in the chairman of the People's National Party, the National Campaign Director, and our party president, the Most Honorable Portia Simpson Miller. That when the People's National Party shall be returned to office, that we will be a government of the people, a government for the people, and a government from the people. That finally we can conclude the relay of development. Political independence was achieved by the generation of Norman Manley. Michael Manley contributed to the advance towards economic independence. P.J. Patterson contributed to the modernization of Jamaica's industry and infrastructure. And that under the leadership of a Prime Minister, Portia Simpson Miller, we, the young professionals and the generation now alive, can achieve in Jamaica at last that quality society, that place of choice to live, to raise family, and to do business, that we will achieve in our lifetime full economic independence. I greet you at the 73rd Annual Conference well, under the guidance of our founding president, Norman Manley, our second president, Michael Joshua Manley, our third president, P.J. Patterson, and now our current president, the next Prime Minister of Jamaica, Portia Simpson Miller. One love, comrades, one heart.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. A feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's the night. Let's live it up. I got my money. Let's spin it up. Go out and smash it. Like, oh my God. Jump out that sofa. Let's kick it up.
I know that we'll have a ball if we get down and go out and just lose it all. I feel stressed out. I wanna let it go. Let's go way out.
Get my pay.
All right, well, Juke. And we are now going to hear from another of our foreign guests, Comrade Horace Thomas, representing the Jamaica National Movement. Horace.
Comrade Chairman, comrade officers, comrades, one and all, greetings from the great state of New York. On behalf of my fellow delegates, Comrade Arlene Froome, Comrade Beverly Grant, Comrade Melverton Newell, and our returning residents, Comrade Lurleen Simmet, and our founding chairman and pace-setting mayor of Portmore, Comrade George Lee, the Jamaica National Movement say greetings. And just permit me to acknowledge two comrades. Comrade Dr. Comrie, the sister of Vice President Fenton Ferguson, a giant and a stalwart, a comrade in New York, ever powerful, ever sure, ever dear. And one of the greatest Consul General to have served New York, Comrade Dr. B.K. Bryan. Comrades, the Jamaica National Movement members has asked me to give you a simple message. The People's National Party has always been setting records and history in this country. This time they say, let the other side get a little taste of history. And as PJ said, you and your neighbors in New York say one term for labor. God bless, one love, crazy.
And now, comrades, we are going to hear from the PNPYO, from none other than its president, Comrade Junior Rose.
What a class.
destination. Me a boy can't change my direction, cause the girl them fly. Every sound man, every radio station. Black girl, white girl, every nation. Me and the girl them in a corporation. In a dimension in the sky.
Comrades, let me first of all greet our party chairman, members of parliament, MP caretakers, councillors, councillor caretakers, members of the executive, members of the diplomatic corps, the members of the People's National Party Youth Organization. Big them up, big them up, big them up. Comrades, I want you to big up all of the young people. Let me know it. All of the young people, big up the young people, big up the young people, big up the young people. Comrades, I am not here to give you a fancy speech, because there is nothing fancy about the 200,000 unattached youth who have no work. The young people them will have no job. There's nothing fancy about it. There is nothing fancy about the 200,000 young people who dip on the street corner when nothing are going for. Nothing are going for. There's nothing fancy about the nearly 300,000 people who have plunged into poverty under the Jamaica Labour Party government. There is nothing fancy about that. And that is why, comrade, the PNPYO launch it attack, because we're ready. 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 We're ready.
No, this. Yo, Neil. Catchy, I'm a brother. Red, say yes,
Comrades,
now.
comrades, we have a lot of work to do. And a lot of people say they don't believe. Some people say they don't believe. But I tell you, we've launched what is called a belief campaign. A reason to believe. Because the People's National Party in the 18 years took over 500,000 people out of poverty. And that is a reason to believe. The People's National Party every year train thousands of youth through the National Youth Service Program. That is a reason to believe. And if you still don't believe, when the People's National Party engage the IMF, we always pass our test. We always pass our test. But Jamaica Labour Party cannot understand it. So they can't pass it. They can't pass it. They can't pass it. They can't pass it. As I wrap up, comrades, like Martin Luther King, I will say I have a dream that one day when the People's National Party take government, private sector and public sector companies will not hire Jamaicans based on the color of their skin, based on what was reported in the media, but will be based on the content of their character and their ability. I have a dream that under People's National Party government, the young people will be treated as assets and not as liabilities and baggages. I have a dream that when this election is called and the trumpet sound, when the trumpet sound, when the PNP trumpet sound and the PNP return to government, all Jamaicans, young and old, rich and poor, from uptown and downtown, will look up to the sky
and sing the Negro spiritual. Free at last, free at last. Thank God Almighty, we are free at last. Comrade, one love, one love.
I made the corner when I make it. And that's where they make the take it. So, I'll be there for sure. Don't worry. I'll miss that bam, 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 bam. It's not an easy road. How many see the glamour and the guitar, so them think I better rose. Me say, ooh, Lord, help me sustain these blows. I cry. It's not an easy road. How many see the glamour and the guitar, so them think I better.
Comrades, you see that the PNP is in safe hands? Good, good, good. And now we're going to call on the representative of the PNP Women's Movement, Comrade Jennifer Edwards. Comrades. Listen, one of the basic rules, please cut out the smoking, whether it's cigarette or other things. Please, you're causing discomfort to others. It's very antisocial. Please cut out the smoking.
Vice President Vidal. Vice President Brown. Vice President Roy. Can I invite Vice President Murdoch to join me on the platform?
We don't stop crying. We all black woman, no. Respect all the girl them with dark complexion, but you don't stop crying. We all black woman, no. One heap of things I want for you, no complexion. Black is beauty, who no color is one in a million. No. Have it from birth, a natural suntan. No. Smooth like a babe, no true, you use your lotion. No. Take care of your complexion. What am I do? What am I try? When the whole of them a plan. No. Don't get me wrong, because we love black woman, no. We don't stop crying. We all black woman, no. Respect all the girl them with dark complexion. We don't stop crying. We all black woman, no. No things about we who no complexion. Someone know how where you get it, how where you buy it from. No. Choose some light skin, them want to buy it and no. Woman no bother worry, who no intention. We don't know black or brown, who no about you right and no. Go and spread it.
Comrades! 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 What a conference! And comrades, when I was coming in, the buses and the cars and the minivans were still coming. You're going to have to small up yourself and make room for the hundreds and thousands that are still on their way here. What a conference this is going to be. But comrades, I'm here just to bring greetings on behalf of the PNP Women's Movement. I'm here to bring greetings to the warrior sisters of the People's National Party. I'm here to bring greetings to the women of Jamaica who this morning are sitting at home, could not be here because they could not leave their children without dinner money to be here. And comrades, we meet at a serious time. We meet at a time, comrades, when many of our women have lost their homes. And when one lady said to me last week, Miss Edwards, I walked 3 miles for a job interview. I walked back home the 3 miles. And when I got home, comrades, I drank some water after I had licked some salt, and I went to bed. She has given true meaning, comrade sisters, to the words that says we are drinking salt through a wooden spoon. And comrades, that is where the Jamaica Labour Party have brought the women of Jamaica to. Too many of our women comrades have to be making a very serious choice about whether they provide meals for their children or whether they buy the books that is needed for their education for them to go to school. Too many of our women comrades have to make the very serious choice about medication for their own health and medication for their parents or their seniors who they are caring for. Too many of our children, of our women, are suffering the pangs of hell. The women of Jamaica have watched the Jamaica Labour Party over the last 4 years. And the women of Jamaica have looked at their record of performance, and the women of Jamaica have found them woefully wanting. We have found them guilty, comrade sisters, of mismanagement of the economy. We have found them guilty of underestimating the pride and dignity of the women of Jamaica. We have found them guilty, comrades, of being what Comrade Knight called mendacious. It means we find them guilty of lying. They lie in the morning, they lie in the afternoon, they lie in the evening, they lie on Sunday, they lie on Monday, and when they're finished lying, comrades, they say that the people are lying on them. Comrade women, we know, we standing here and the People's National Party knows.
Yes, comrades! Youth and youth, undecided voters, PNP coming again! So tell your neighbor, tell your friend, Green man a ride with like mule, and I take the nation for fall. But we have a new name for him. What the name? Him name Eli. Bangarang. Oh, we tired of the labor pay. The drive across the bus and the country going down the road. Yes, we tired of the labor pay. Poverty a bus we shut and we going insane. Why? Eli. The new name for the bus driver. Are you here on every car?